Wait. Look, read it with passion. Ready?
Once upon a time, there was a brave knight who lived in a small cottage in the dark forest. Every day he would venture into the deep dark forest to play with his forest friends. But one day, the wicked witch of the forest wanted to eat his forest friend. Oh no! Because of that, the wicked witch used a magic spell and made a giant river between the cottage and the forest. And because of that, the knight threw rocks into the river to make a rock bridge. But the witch had other plans, and she threw a magic piranha into the river, which knocked the knight off the bridge. But before the piranha could eat the knight used his magic invisibility cloak and disappeared. And because of that, the many other challenges, the knight and the witch clashed many times, until finally the knight outsmarted the witch and saved his forest friends.